Man, what's going on, y'all? Is y'all got a fish tracker here? Back with y'all once again. Your boy TFT. And y'all, today I'm on the railroad track. As y'all can see, I'm on the railroad track. Walking to a spot. I'm gonna get down here, y'all. See what happened in the creek. I haven't been here in a while. I have been here a couple of times with little to no luck, so I'm gonna see if something will happen today. 50-50 chance, as I always say, and you know, you just never know. So y'all stay tuned as I walk down here, and man, I'm gonna see if I can make it do what it do. So y'all wish me good luck. Alright, y'all. This right here is the spot. This the spot, man. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta rig up this other pole. And once I get it rigged up, well, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a jig first, and then go from there. So y'all stay tuned, man. Alright, it's the spot. Gotta get the rocks out my shoes, y'all. Some rocks went in my shoes. Coming down a real steep incline right there. But y'all, I'm gonna get by right here, and we gonna make us a cast. We're gonna make us a cast somewhere. Yeah, we're gonna make us a cast. And we're gonna see if anything's jumping, man. If anything's jumping, anything around, if anything can take the barber down. See if it's gonna be something that's gonna make the barber disappear. But I got a weighted barber on there, 4-pound test line, and I'm fishing with a tube jig, y'all. OG color, black and chartreuse, and it's muddy water. Oh, look at that, y'all, it's gone. Something pulled on it. They let it go. So I see where I got my first bite at. I missed him though. So I'm gonna reel in and throw back over there. I don't know if it was something big or if it was something small. We're gonna try it again. Same spot. See if we get another bite. Could have been old Brimsky. Ain't no telling. But you gotta keep trying though. Cause one thing about it, man, you don't try, you'll never know, man. You'll never know. About being in the sun right there, I figured if that probably could have been a little Brimsky. It's possible. Could have been a little Brimsky. Could have been a little bass. Put me some more crappie nibbles on here, and I'll be right back with y'all. So if I get a bite, y'all already know what's going on, man. The fish tracker gonna present it to y'all, so y'all stay tuned. Alright. Alright, y'all, I got a red wiggle on here. I wasn't having no luck with the artificial. So I said, I'm gonna try the red wiggler, man. See what happens from there. Got him, y'all. Got him. I'm pretty much suspecting it's probably old cat daddy. That's what I'm suspecting. Oh, yeah, I believe it's a cat daddy. It's an old cat daddy. Oh yeah, it's a good one too. It's a good one. Oh no, ain't no cat daddy. That's a drum. It's a drum. Oh, drum. Oh, drumski. But the live bait work. The live bait work. And hooked inside of the mouth. But I do got my pliers with me. Quick. And maybe I can get my hook back. And get my pliers. Make it a whole lot easier. Oh, you quick. All right. Whole drumski. Hope y'all can see. Whole drum. Whole drummy drum, y'all. Yeah, buddy. But I don't want him though. I'm putting him back. He can get on down. He can get on down, y'all. I have tried drum before though. I didn't like them too much. I didn't like them too well. But I am gonna put me another piece of another worm on here. But that's what you gotta do. You always gotta come prepared, y'all. You gotta have more than just artificial. Cause sometimes a little live bait get you a whole lot more further, man. On having some look. Get you a whole lot more further on having some look. That doggone drum threw water in my face. What's wrong with him? Or her. So I'm gonna throw it out there again, about right there. Let it sink to the bottom. And close it. I don't hook many drums, you know, like that, so I really didn't know. That's what it was. But for that reason right there, there's a reason why I'll try to have something more than just soft plastics. I seen that joker, he was messing with it, he was tapping it. Look, something messing with it now. Something messing with it again. We're gonna see if we can sit hook. He pulled too hard, y'all. Now let's see if we can sit hook. Got him, y'all. That joker fighting too. That right there is old small channel cat right there, y'all. Little small channel cat. Little channy. Look at him cutting up. His little small channy. And I hate. He swallowed the hook too. I'm gonna have to get a little bit bigger of a hook or something. I'm gonna have to let him get all the energy out of him. Let him flop against that stick right there till he get tired. Cause I ain't gonna give him a chance to fin me, y'all. Oh no. The fish tracker ain't going for that. So flop, flop, flippity flop. Flop, flop, flippity flop. But I gotta grab them eventually. I just need them to be kind of still when I try to grab them. You know what I mean? That's all. He too spunky. Them joker swallowed the hook. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get my hook back or not, being honest. Alright, I finally got my hands on them. Okay. Can't see, I'm gonna let them go. Alright. Fish are very strong willed. And shoot. Before you know it, shoot. That joker here have that hook out and doggone be thriving. He be thriving still. Cause I've caught fish in the past with, man, big hooks in them. And I ain't joking. I know that little bit right there, that ain't gonna bother me. I done caught them like that with hooks in them, still in their mouth, and still see hook in their throat. And everything, no joke. But that's one little channy cat. No, I didn't even really show him. But I'm pretty sure y'all seen it when I... Oh man, I thought something had it then, y'all. What I was trying to do was go ahead and get him before he swallowed it. I got some hooks at home that's really better for this type of fishing. But I haven't got them yet. I'm already knowing though, if I hook a pretty good catfish or something like that, man, I'm already knowing he's gonna give me a run for my money. He's gonna give me a run for my money, or he gonna break me off. But right now is the time the catfish are biting. And at certain places, the bass are biting too, because they haven't been too long. At certain places, they haven't been too long, been off bed. They haven't been too long, been off bed. See if we can get another bite. Another bite, y'all. But I'm fishing on the bottom. Throwing it out there, letting it float to the bottom. I'm already knowing, man, if I hook something good, it's gonna give me a run for my money with this 4-pound test line. But I got my drag set for sure, just to try to hold them. You know what I mean? So the only thing I know is we're gonna see how it work out. We're gonna see how it work out, y'all. But I really need to make my way back to JP Coleman. Only thing I hate, man, is we had a long work week, y'all. We worked Monday through Saturday, man. So I'm getting a bite again. We worked Monday through Saturday. And man, They the only day I really had to come out and fish. But at least I've had some luck, you know. It'd be different if I ain't had no luck. And for a while, I was thinking I wasn't gonna have any luck, being honest. I was really thinking I wasn't gonna have any luck. But I keep thinking in a minute I'm gonna get that bite and it's really gonna be on like Donkey Kong. But I was doing a little crappie fishing around all this stuff right here just to see was there anything right there. But I still kind of think that the water is it's still maybe moving a little too fast. It ain't really too much stagnant water besides straight over here, like straight over across. But I'm gonna see if I can get another bite right here first, and then I may throw across right there. Throw it in, see if I get it in the middle. Throw it in the middle. I must be up high or something. I got, dang. Oh no, I ain't had, I thought I had something, y'all. I thought I did. I put a little bit more, some more worm on here. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm using red wigglers. Using them red wigglers, y'all. But I haven't been here much to this spot to really know like what time certain fish be around. But I'm learning, y'all. For sure, I'm definitely learning, and I'm probably using some too light line. But to me, to hook a big fish on a real light line, it's the sport of it. Pretty much. That's what it is for me. It's the sport of it. But y'all know that I always try to keep it, my videos as organic as natural as possible. And as far as fishing from the bank. And that's what it is, y'all. That's pretty much what it is, man. But I was surprised to catch a drum. I haven't caught a drum since I fished with my wife at Sardis, Mississippi, at Sardis Lake. And I caught one and she caught one. Sure did. And we decided to keep, we also caught some good brim that day too. And during that time, we really, well, I wasn't into the YouTube thing at that time. We were just going out fishing, you know. It's pretty much what we were doing, just going out fishing. I know I keep throwing out there, y'all, but that's why I've had luck. Sometimes when it comes to this type of fishing in a creek, you really do have to be patient. Same thing as, you know, when you're fishing, crappie fishing. I know I always say that, but man, fishing in general, you know, fishing in general, you have to be patient. You have to. If you don't have any patience, you won't be a good fisherman at all. That's what I think. It's some little minnows. biting the little edge of my line right there. They kind of just cruising the edge. I'm glad to see some bait fish in here. We're gonna throw over there. I'm gonna reel in and throw over towards this way, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm back. I threw over there. And right there in that, straight over here is, that water right there is more calm. So I don't know if I'll get a bite right off, or I have to wait, or if it'll float off right there into the current. But I don't know if I get that yank, that little pop. That's all it takes. That little thump. You can see it as long as you pay attention to your line. You'll see it. You see it thump. But I also got another artificial bait. I'm gonna reel in and throw back over there a little bit farther. All right. And I'm gonna bring it off by right there. Since I see minnows, I know it's a little bit further on up in the day. And shoot, I'm just trying to see when other fish be around. But so far, it just, it seems like a catfish and drum biting. But I sure enough, I thought that drum was a pretty decent sized catfish. But I mean, if I catch a few decent sized catfish, I think what I'm gonna do is surprise Papa Doc. That's what I'm gonna do if I get them out and they don't swallow the hook. If I get them out and they don't swallow the hook. But I got both of those bites, y'all, like right off rip, man. Like as soon as I threw it out there, boom. They was messing with it, so I know I threw right on top of them. Some foam or something floating across the water right there. That stuff looks funny. Hold my pole down, try to make the line go down. Up under there, I don't want that to get caught on my line. That won't be good. That won't be good at all. That stuff look funny, look nasty. Bite, y'all, I'm getting a bite. Let's see if we got him. I'm getting a bite. Oh, man. I missed him. Or he didn't have it all the way. One or the two. One or the two. So I'm gonna throw that right there. Let it hit the bottom like that. See that line drop? Y'all can see the line, the high vis line. Gonna drop. Then I reel it in just a little bit, make it tight. Like that right there. And I keep that joker just like that. They probably was pulling on that worm. More than likely. I'm throwing this other little bait, little search bait, just to see if there's anything around that'll bite it. See, I'm getting a bite again. I'm gonna let him hang itself this time. Hopefully he won't swallow it if we do get on there. But I sure do wish there was some crappies around, y'all. No joke, man. If I could catch a white bass, or a regular bass for that much, anything. I just like catching fish. But it's just like I was telling y'all, I don't really catfish a whole lot, but I can catch them. You know, I like to catch them. I just don't really like to fool with them a whole lot like that. Oh, something on there, y'all. Look at that. He pulling. He pulling. Got him. Got him. Got him, y'all. Another old channy. Another channy. He swallowed it too. Doggone it. Another channy cat. He swallowed it too. I'm gonna have to have some bigger hooks next time. Look at him cutting up. See, when he be cutting up like that. See how he's shaking? When they be cutting up like that, man, you got to be careful. On everything, you got to be careful. You have to be careful. Cause I don't want to get finned. I sure enough don't. Alright, don't you do it. Don't you do it, Woody. Oh, look at that. He tried to get me. You see how he did, y'all? But I'm getting a phone call. But this the channel cat right there. Y'all see it. Alright. Think I'm getting another bite again, y'all. Getting another bite again. He ain't pulling it too hard. I'm gonna wait till he hang himself. I'm gonna wait till he hang himself. And my guess is another channel. Another channel cat. That's what my guess is, another channel cat. Now the line done dropped. He might be on there. Yeah, he on there. Got him, y'all. Got him. Got him. Creek fishing 101. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, he trying to go crazy. He going, oh, that's a bass. It's a bass. I thought it was another channel cat. It's a bass. Look at that. A bass, man. He old aggressive joker too. Joker caught him on an old red worm, man. Caught him on an old red worm ski. For sure. Hey, you. You know, I don't want him neither. Little joker, he live fat. I'm gonna throw him back, y'all. So that's 3 different species of fish that I've caught since I've been fishing right here. 2 cats, 1 drum, and that looked like a Alabama bass. Oh, Alabama bass. And see, these fish are reacting to live bait. And what's crazy is the live bait that I'm using is red wigglers. And they biting it. They biting it. Biting on red wigglers, man. Biting them on red wigglers. Them on red wigglers. I thought he was old catfish. just putting one on there. One worm. Everybody fish is different, you know. Everybody fish is different. Some people like to put a piece of worm on there. Some people like to put maybe 2 worms. Some people may jumble it up with 3. You know, everybody fish is different, man. Everybody fish is different. Something messing with it already. Or is that meat? It's probably meat. Yeah, meat, I think. Had bumped it with my foot. But I was throwing one bait, and creek seeker, if you see this, buddy, eat your heart out. Eat your heart out, man. This one of the creeks that I was telling you about, bro. And when we do finally get the chance to fish together, I'm gonna bring you here. I know you'll probably find a way to move around it, but I only sit like around right here, fish right here, and over towards that way. The way I fish it, like right here, and over towards that way, over there, around there. But we done getting a bite already. I'm gonna let him hang himself, y'all. He pulling on it. I'm gonna let him hang himself. I don't think he got it all the way like that. It's more of like he's messing with it, you know, trying to get what's on it off. I'm finna see if he on there. But it just don't seem like he's just messing with it. Let's see if he on there, y'all. He messing with it. He might got it. He didn't have it all the way. He possibly could have just been just pulling on that worm. Throw right there on the side. I'm gonna hold it this time. All right, let it sink to the bottom, cause that's where the fish is at. That's where those fishes are. And we gonna see what happened, man. Oh, got him, y'all. Got him. He was ready. He had it. He was hungry. That joker right there was hungry. He was hungry. Another cat daddy. Look at that. Another cat daddy. Another cat daddy. They ain't big. By no means necessary. They ain't big ones. They're just small ones. But I mean, for people that like to eat them this size, shoot, they'll be happy today. They'll be happy today. I'm gonna let them get his wiggle out of them. Let them get all the wiggling out of them. Wiggle. Get your wiggle out of here. So y'all can see what I'm doing. When it be small like this, if it's something around, I'll bump them. Kind of get them tired a little bit. Get them tired a little bit. See, he ain't really jumping as much now. But he still got some spunk in his trunk. He still got some spunk, man. You just gotta be careful. See, look, he tried to get me. He tried. He tried. Oh, Pimp Catsky tried, man. Oh. Oh, Pimp Catsky tried to get me. Oh. But I'm glad he didn't. I'm glad he didn't get the fish tracker. Y'all know what I'm saying? Get my hook back. Show him to y'all. And I'm gonna get rid of him. Get out of here. He's gone, y'all. He's out of here. Get this stuff off of my hand, man. Oh, get this stuff off my hand. Nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. But I like catching them, though. I ain't gonna joke. I can't joke about that. I like catching all species of fish. For real. I like catching all species of fish. Y'all stay tuned. Look at that. He going with it. He going with it. Let's see if we can hang some steel in him, y'all. Got him. Got him, y'all. He swam back towards this way. Oh, he trying to get me wrapped up in something. Get from over there. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. He mad, y'all. He mad, y'all. Look at him. He mad, but he might as well get glad. He might as well get glad. I'm gonna try to get him off of there and get him back in there. For sure. Another cat daddy. Another cat daddy for the records. There he is, y'all. Another cat daddy. Another cat daddy. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, y'all, that's how that cat daddy right there look. They nice little just right side, eating side. He's mad. Look at him, he mad, y'all. It's alright. We're gonna get rid of him though. He gone. Out of there. Alright, y'all, I'm coming up. Rising up. Coming up and rising up. Up out of there. But this is the train track. I want to show y'all how the creek look. How it looks. On and around. That's why I was fishing. Down there, some running water right there. And this is how it looks, you know, right here. That's how it looks right there. I got catfish slime on my hand. Well, it ain't bad though. It ain't bad, y'all. It ain't bad. But man, the hill took me down through there, y'all. Took me down through there. Look at that. Man, that's pretty steep to get down there. Gotta be in some shape. You ain't in no shape. It's gonna be rough to get down there. For real. That joker took me through there. For real. But anyways, man, I hope y'all enjoyed what I presented to y'all. My face may look all shiny looking because it's hot and I'm sweating. But I'm glad I did get a chance to come out and have some look and be able to present some fish to y'all. And man, y'all definitely be on the lookout for the next giveaway. Dang, y'all, it's something that just not jumped down there. That's big. And I mean, it's big. I don't know what it is, but it's something big. It's something big. All them waves. I don't know if y'all can see those waves, but that fish made those waves. I'm gonna say it's probably a big alligator guy. That's what I'm gonna say. He right there in the corner down there. I wish I could zoom in. He died right there down there in that corner right there, man. Anyways, like I was saying, this is the end of the video. And I gotta go get to the house and try to give me a little bit more rest before work in the morning, y'all, because it's gonna be 6 o'clock on the job, man. 6 o'clock on the job. Man, that fish is cutting up down there. But man, it's one thing y'all, I want y'all to do for me, man. I want y'all to keep casting and to keep tracking and keep tracking and keep casting, man, as long as the bite's hot. I'm the fish tracker, and I'm out, man. Y'all be good. All right.